In this video, I will show you how to use Leonardo AI flow state to generate images. In the main section of Leonardo AI, look for the flow state tab. Click on it, and you will be taken to the flow state dashboard. From there, I will input an example prompt with a white cat running in the lush meadow. After clicking on Generate, you will get 8 different types of images. You can scroll down and choose to load more images. Each generation will cost 1 credit, and they are limited daily for free users. For example, I like this image. Selecting the More Like This option will show you the way that image is generated. Selecting it will prompt a new set of images generated using that style. Also, notice that the options on the left have been switched to the style similar to that image you selected. The Vibe option has many different options, such as acrylic or anime, that you can choose. The same goes for the other options, such as lightning. The shot type is also a good option to change if you want your camera angle to be from a specific spot. You can also change the color theme as well. As for image dimensions, pick the one that you need. They also included many social media platform sizes. For Prompt Enhance option, I left that on, and private mode is only for paying customers. Now, I will select another image I like using the More Like This option. Now, I have created similar variations of that image. You can go back to previous flow states to restart the image generation process. Keep in mind that if you choose an image from a previous flow state, the ones generated before will vanish. So you will want to save those images you want before proceeding. To do that, select the image you want. You can either download it or save it to library. That concludes the tutorial. Thanks for watching.